There's not a lot that keeps the Gigmaster from going on an adventure, but I don't think I'll be taking you on one today. Stay tuned. Alright, we got blizzard conditions here at the Gigmaster house. Right when I opened my door, I got almost 16 inches of snow right here. Drifted up here. The drifts are deep. Look at this. 16 inches deep. Alright, here we go. Oh man, look at the relic recovers back here. It's not doing too good. It's a little bit snowed in. I don't think he's going out today. Alright, I'm down here in Chesapeake, Virginia, and it is a blizzard. Check it out. It's coming down like crazy. My old relic recovers boat is snowed in. She ain't going nowhere. No time soon. Check this out, man. I'm sitting here walking in it. How deep? Oh, let me turn around, it might help. 11 inches of snow right here. Right on top of my cooler. 9 inches on top of the cooler. It's probably at least going to be a foot before it's over with anyway. So I'm going to be snowed in here for a while. Man, I'm not going to be able to take y'all on any adventure soon. Let's see, it's a nice little drift in front of the garage right here. 17 inches. Man, it is snowing like crazy. Check it out. It's blizzard conditions. Alright, we're going to have to try to get the snow shovel out and clean a couple things up. At least so I can get out the back door. And then we'll maybe make a Civil War snowman. What do you think? Alright, now I got a 2-foot drift in front of my car now. Showing a little bit of snow. Boy, it is tough, I'm going to tell you. We got somebody braving the road out there though. Check it out. Alright, we got a nice little path leading out to the wife's car now. But I don't think she's going anywhere in the near future. But at least we'll get started anyway. Alright, moving on to the next project. Alright, we got some path cut to the Gigmaster mobile, but it ain't going nowhere no time soon. And I also cut a path to my neighbor's car in case they have an emergency. Even left them a little note on the car. Check it out. Well, at least they can get to the car now. They might not be able to go anywhere yet, but they can get to the car if they had to. Alright, well, looks like that's going to be a wrap for me for now. My whole flower bed is completely covered. Cars are covered. I'm not going anywhere in the near future. But stay tuned. We got a lot of good stuff coming in 2018. Alright, thanks for coming along.